Welcome to one more quick and short video on Google Finance. For example, let's take Infosys and let's fetch the high values using the Google Finance formula. So the high is 1018. Come to Google Sheet. I have already taken the screenshot for reference. So today we are going to get the high. Okay. So let's fetch equal to Google Finance and ticker is double quote. Let's hide this help NSC infi and in double quote enter the high in a small letter. So this is how you get 1018 from Google Finance. Thank you for watching.